Kaya ba ng 10,000 budget per person ang 3 days and 2 nights in Boracay? Hello, I'm MJ Ayoki at samahan nyo kami magbakasyon dito sa Boracay. Nagstay kami sa Azalea and I'll show you kung paano makakasave ng time and money during your trip. First, we got this 2-bedroom suite from 10,700 pesos na ngayon ay 6,800 na lang and good for 6 people na yan. It's clean and spacious, plus may mini kitchen, kaya feel at home ka rin talaga dito. Kompleto na rin with rice cooker and may mga pans na rin for cooking, and ganun din sa kanilang deluxe room for only 3,700 per night na good for 2 people. Malaki rin yung space ng room kaya naman napaka-komportable. At ito yung favorite ko, pwede rin magpabili sa kanila for 200 pesos, kaya naman pinadeliver na rin namin yung mga groceries na kakailanganin namin for this trip, kaya nakatipid na rin kami ng oras. At bago mag-activities, hindi na kami nalayo. We had lunch here at Kuya Jay's at sa may baba lang yan ng hotel. At itong good news, 50% off yung sets nila from 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. ng Monday to Thursday. Sobrang sulit na, plus sure na masarap. A must try here is their crispy pinakbet, chicken barbecue, sinigang na beef, and halo-halo. Pero ito na nga, mag-explore na tayo and buti na lang malapit lang ito sa main road. You can ride the hop-on hop-off bus pero matagal kasi minsan mag-abang at sayang sa oras kaya naman nag-private van na kami for only 1,200 per hour and good for 10 na rin yan kaya mas matipid rin kaysa mag-e-trike. Tapos may free bottled water na yan at payong, o diba, ang lakas maka-VIP. And kapag nag-land tour ka, mapupuntahan yung Lugutan Mangroves at Bulabog Beach, even New Coast, Keyhole, and Puka Beach. At may time pa makapag-sunset pagbalik sa hotel. At night, we decided to go to V-Hub for dinner and we got the seafood bilao na sobrang sulit na rin talaga. Meron din ditong live band and fire dancers. Then pagka-uwi namin, ayun, bonding lang with games and nag-test na rin kami nitong mga glitter tattoo. Ang cute, diba? Come morning, if you're like me na maaga gumigising, pinaglutuan ko na rin sila ng breakfast at sino ba namang hindi gaganahan gumising sa amoy ng bacon na pangdagdag sa pinabili naming breakfast from Jasper's, which is a famous karinderya in Boracay na murang-mura lang at pwede pang baunin for our island hopping. At ito ang friendship goals. Lahat kami may glitter tattoo and then by 9 a.m. sumakay na kami kagad sa private boat at dahil anim kami, tig 2,500 lang each at may kasama na rin yung lunch. Gusto ko kasi talaga naka-private boat para hindi kami nagmamadali sa isang lugar at makapag-enjoy talaga unlike pag naka-group tour na medyo minamadali. Yung places na pupuntahan nyo, depende na lang rin yan sa hangin at alon. But this time, nagbalinghay kami na very underrated rin pero I suggest ito yung ihuli rather than first kasi maraming tao sa umaga and I think mas okay to pag sunset kasi it's facing west. Anyway, nag-snorkel din kami after and then lunch sa may Tambisaan. Sobrang sulit na rin ito kasi unlimited yung ulam except for the crabs. Meron na rin kasamang free kawa bath and ang sarap nito pampainit after magdagat. For dinner, we went to Maya's restaurant. Lahat dito sobrang sarap and my go-to here is fish tacos and papaya milkshake. Then on our last day, maaga kaming gumising for breakfast in Sunnyside Cafe in Station 1. Masarap yung Filipino breakfast nila, then maganda rin yung view from the second floor. At syempre, dapat makapag-beach ka pag nasa Boracay, kaya naman dito na kami natambay sa Station 1 kung saan mas pino ang buhangin. Or, pwede rin namang sulitin ito sa pool sa hotel before checking out. At may natira pa sa budget natin, so don't forget to buy pasalubong. I suggest itong calamansi muffin. Hope you enjoy Boracay and follow for more!